15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Lympung second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship, but the first state-level Taekwondo Chapati, Kyrwoh and Puamsai, kablapanya deka All Meghalaya Taekwondo Association AMTA, kalapoy no syakat jing Pynhap Pyrda haka khat nyaw tarik jemang arajar alpunrio halaban Sports Club Shillong. Hakani ka Lympung lawan Manishem bentar ki spangot ki noy lek kai ki banang keleng kathan jatai lammingi hakba ka jela Assam kalayo bandra ikanam lado kadba ka Meghalaya kalawan haka kerdan ka baar bot pat da ka Sikkim. Lawan ban Pynhap Pyrda ngani ka Lympung daw ba wailat miki shilla Menteri Berik mi yakatnat sports ka Sorkar jela kumu kongsan haringkat ka jingan lang uba sanbor shulai Menteri Berik mi yakatnat arts and culture kum usumbot kongsan. Hakani ka singin la samro ki medals syaki samla ki belawan haki kerdan ki basya khamat haki jingelek kai. Habai jing kran hakani ka jingan lang uba sanbor shulai ula aiman se mi ki samla ki belai shem benta hakati ka Lympung da ka boong. Bahag jingelek kai kindan ki bajab pat ki baram. Hindai ki betbet ki yo ka jing job.
I, on behalf of the sports department or the people of Meghalaya, would like also to express our sincere thanks to all our colleagues, the coaches, and all the presidents who are coming from all the way from every part of India and also from abroad. I was sitting with one of the president of he was also the coach of the Taekwondo Meghalaya and also India, and he came all the way from South Korea. So on behalf of each and every one of us, we welcome each and every one of you and wish you all the best, and wish all the participants, all the players, all the best. And remember, in the game, one should win, one should lose. So let the best player win the game.
Nakaliang uba wailat miki shilla uloong baga jing penlong ya kum kini ki Lympung kan long kum kalat ban pentibet susu iki samla ki bela dan lupai ka sapilek kai da ka bapen pau baga jelaru kadang pen kre na ka benta ka National Games ban long house nam arajar arpunyo. Nalor kata uloong ru baga Sorkar jela kala yo ru ya ka mangtingka na ka benta ki noilek kai ban pentibet pat pen penbiang ya ki jing don kam jongki ringkat ka jing pen bana bagi samla ki bayo Takma haki Lympung beper kata ki national but international level ki kam Sorkar kila aplupaya ki.
I am so happy to be here to witness this second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship, and I must congratulate the Taekwondo Association for organizing this championship here in Shillong. At the same time, respected guest of honor, my colleague in the cabinet, the Minister of Art and Culture Department, the guests, the Grandmaster who is present here all the way from South Korea, my friend from the Taekwondo Association of Sikkim. Thank you so much for coming and encouraging our association and our young athletes and players in the state of Meghalaya. To all of you, the participants who have come from different parts of the state and northeastern region, I'm so impressed by the event, and I'm hopeful that this will give a great opportunity for the young athletes and players who want to take Taekwondo forward. As you know that Meghalaya is preparing for the upcoming National Games next year. We have already started our preparation in terms of infrastructure and especially to the support to the different sport association in our state where we have disbursed the money to them in order to procure the equipments or all other supports which they require. And I'm at the same time, just few days ago, I have called the meeting with all the state association and also the athletes who are preparing for the national game to hear from them what are their expectations, what are their requirements. And most of I'm so happy that on that day many of them have shared, and I also have declared that we have released the money for the diet, because we know that in order to prepare themselves they need the required nutrition as well. So we have released the money for the diet, for the accommodation, and also at the same time for the external exposure. I won't speak much, but before I will take my seat, I just want to give and inform this to all the young athletes who are present here, that Meghalaya government have passed a policy which called Meghalaya Outstanding Sport Person Direct Appointment Policy, where under this policy, whoever will bring medal for Meghalaya in national game, Asian game, South Asian game, Olympic or Paralympic, you don't need to wait. Just bring medal and take government job. In other words, they will say like, medal leke aao, job leke jao. So I think it is a huge encouragement for all of you. Work hard and make your state and your family proud.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.